Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion, you will see what is difference between Angular versus AngularJS. In case you missed the previous discussion about Angular introduction session, please check this link is given in the description. And if you want to learn more about Angular, please check this WebLearns channel, and here you can see upcoming series of Angular beginner to advanced. Please subscribe this channel and like this video and press the bell icon to get the latest video of Angular. So let's start with the Angular versus AngularJS. First difference is architecture. AngularJS supports the model view and controller, whereas Angular is worked with the component and directives. And second difference is the language difference, where AngularJS is written in the JavaScript, whereas Angular is written in the TypeScript. TypeScript is developed by the Microsoft. AngularJS doesn't support the mobile browser, whereas Angular support the mobile browser, and there is also difference in the expression. In the AngularJS, we are using ng directive with the des, like for example ng des bind. In the Angular, it is using with the expression and star. For example, star ng4 and star ngif. So AngularJS doesn't support the dependency injection, whereas Angular supports the dependency injection. That's why it's most popular. And another is routing. So AngularJS also providing the route provider, and Angular is providing the route configuration for the route. AngularJS is less manageable for the large application, whereas Angular is the manageable for the large application because it's provide the better structure compared to AngularJS. And AngularJS doesn't support the CLI tool, where Angular supports the CLI tool. Those are the major difference between AngularJS and Angular. That's it for now. And in case you have any doubt related this discussion, please comment below. And see you in the next session. And our next session would be how to set up Angular in Mac OS as well as in Windows. See you in the next session.